Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious custard pie. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need 4 large eggs, 2 cups of whole milk, and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a 9-inch pie crust. Having everything ready makes the baking process smooth and enjoyable for everyone. Now, let's create that silky smooth custard filling. In a bowl, whisk your 4 large eggs and 1/2 cup of sugar until they are light and creamy. Next, gently warm the 2 cups of whole milk on the stove top, being careful not to let it boil. Slowly pour the warm milk into the egg mixture, whisking constantly to temper the eggs. Finally, stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that perfect aroma. With your custard filling ready, it's time to bake. Carefully pour the mixture into your 9-inch pie crust. Place it in a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for approximately 45 to 55 minutes. The pie is done when the edges are set, but the center still has a slight wobble. Remember to cool it completely on a wire rack for at least 2 hours before serving. Your homemade custard pie is almost ready to enjoy. For optimal flavor and texture, I recommend chilling the pie for at least 2 hours before slicing. You can garnish each slice with a light sprinkle of nutmeg or a dollop of freshly whipped cream. Any leftovers should be stored in the refrigerator and will stay delicious for up to 3 days. This classic dessert is perfect for any occasion.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.